Hello guys, Zach at Opportunities Niche here, and um, making this video for newbies that want to make money online. Like I said, there are many ways to make money online. I've taught people how to run Facebook ad, more than 5,000 students, video editing. Those are skills you can have and you can work for people. Even like I'm talking to you now, I received a message from someone that he need an advert videos. You can check my channel playlist. You will see video ads, and these are videos I've created for so many people, and you can charge 30,000 naira with voiceover or use AI. So now that's aside. So on the crypto, we are on money making with crypto right now. So crypto is the best way to invest your money, but it's also the best way to lose your money. I'm telling you the fact. So please, as I mentioned, crypto, don't go and follow other people, okay? Because I'm not selling any course to you, so I will genuinely tell you the the journey I've been in crypto. And if you follow those YouTubers, they are just selling courses and trying to make money, and you'll be losing money. So in crypto, like I said, you join the Telegram group that I've created for newbies. First, as a newbie, participate in airdrop. Airdrop can be so tasking, meaning that you are just going to be doing some tasks for new project that are going to be launched. At the end of the day, when the project is being launched, they will give you some point that will eventually you change to dollar, okay, when they launch the program. It might take time, because for a project to be run, to be launched, it might take weeks, months, or year. But be patient, the money will come. So that is the best way, and especially for those who don't have capital. So, and for people that actually have capital, please, the real way of making money is not through airdrop alone. Airdrop is free money. It takes time, some work, some doesn't. But the one I post in the Telegram channel you join, they are quick ones, okay? Is the spot, okay? So if you have capital, it's spot trading, okay? So in spot, this is the best time to invest in spot, in crypto. Meaning, just like you are buying from low and you are selling high. But there are different crypto tokens. So the question is that, which of the tokens are you buying? Are you buying BTC? Are you buying Ethereum? Are you buying Solana? Are you buying Link Chain? Are you buying ICP? So now those are the things you need to know. Which one are you buying, and at what point are you buying? Just like red oil, for example, in Nigeria here, this is season why red oil is cheap. You buy and store and sell at the time when it is high. So in crypto, when do you know it is cheap and when do you know it is high? So those are the basic I will be teaching you. Which one are you even buying? It's not only red oil. Are you buying beans to store or rice? So why will you buy beans or red oil? So there is reason. So those are the reason you need to learn before you buy into spot, okay, on crypto. And that is what I will be teaching you guys, okay? So now, if you have money, I'm telling you, with this bull run, this incentive, the crypto value is going high. Most of the crypto tokens in 2024, we expected a bull run. That is, the value of the crypto will skyrocket. It has already started. Let me just tell you the fact. So if you have $10, $20, $100, $1,000, this is the right time. If you start seeing results at the end of 2024 and you buy, you will lose, because it must have gone to the highest level and it's coming down. So guys, what I'm telling you now is that, please don't rush, okay? Just join the Telegram channel. I'll be and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is where I will be dropping videos on tutorials. So I will start with trading view and the exchange. Okay, I will start with the exchange. We are going to be using Budget. I will drop the link. Sign up on Budget, then sign up on Mex. Yeah, those are the two platforms we'll be using. Maybe KuCoin later we'll be using to buy. So then when it comes to the trading view, I will tell you how to just do simple analysis. Don't just say let's accept you should buy ICP, or you should buy you should buy Jito, for example. Those are crypto coins, right? Or you should buy Mobi. You shouldn't just buy at that time. You have to look at the chart. There is a point, a junction. Let me just call it a junction. This is what we call supply and demand, or supply and resistance, okay? Support. So now, support and resistance, okay, or supply and demand. You don't just go and buy at the top. You need the value of that thing to come down. So those junction, those, let me just call the junction where men mount. Junction where men mount is called support. You understand? Another junction where men mount at the top is called resistor or supply. So when it is at that top, you don't buy there. You buy when men mount at the support level. So these are the things I will be teaching you. Stay tuned to the Telegram group and the YouTube channel, also my Facebook page. I will be dropping this tutorial almost on daily basis. And if you follow this thing with action, what I will tell you now, if you have money, as the dollar is going high against the naira, I know some people think it will come down. You are not buying much, so it doesn't matter. Just start buying dollar. If it's 10,000 you have, use it to buy dollar and keep it, so that by the time I just teach you these things, I say buy this token, buy ICP, buy link chain. At this point, it's good to buy it because it has dropped, okay, to the support level. You buy. And when it go high, when I say take profit, you take profit. You might not know when I say take limit profit. You don't know all these things. Those are the things I was just going to be teaching you how to do it on budget, and also on how to do it on Mex exchange. Those are the one we have a lot of tokens there. Okay, so guys, Zakot Opportunities Niche here. Subscribe to this channel. Join the Telegram group on the link. Check the description of this group. Join the Telegram group. Participate in the crypto airdrop, the easy ones. Those are the one I post first. There are the tasking one, so the mining one are easy. Just do them. You might just see they drop some money for you that you even use in the spot trading and future trading. For futures trading, we are not going into that now, it's too risky. And I have all the courses, like I said. I may decide to share those with you later. Thank you. See you in the next video, guys.